Hello dear students, welcome to the computer science class. So on the last turn we were studying the chapter computer software and we have completed with the chapter description. So today we will start with the exercise part. So our first question of exercise is tick the correct answer. This objective type question you have to complete in the book only, no need of writing this in the notebook. So the first tick the correct answer is a software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software is, and the options for this are operating system, application software or mobile software. And the correct answer is operating system. Now, the type of system software that performs a specific task usually related to managing a computer. The options are driver, program, and third one is utility. And the correct answer is utility. Now the third question, a utility that protects a computer against viruses by identifying and removing any computer viruses are a screensaver, a virus scanner, or third one is uninstaller. So what will be the answer? The answer will be virus scanner. Now the next question, D part, is the program that makes user more productive and assists them with their personal task. And the answer is, the options are application software, operating system and utility software. And the answer for this is application software. Then our next question is, which of the following is a word processing program? Excel, Word or PowerPoint? What will be the answer? The answer is Word. A presentation in the presentation software, that is PowerPoint, is called, what do we call the presentation in PowerPoint? Slide. The options are slide, slideshow or project, and we call it as slideshow. Then our next question is, a software that allows you to create and edit pictures is Adobe Photoshop or PowerPoint or database. What will be the answer? The answer will be Photoshop. Next, a copyright software that is distributed free of cost for a trial period is packaged, shareware or web application. And the answer is shareware. Now, the second question is fill in the blanks. This question can also be done in the book. No need of writing this question in your notebooks. So next, the first fill in the blanks is dash consists of series of related instructions that tells the computer what task to perform and how to perform them. And the answer is, what will be the answer? The answer is software. Next, dash software is a copyright retail software that is available in retail stores or on the internet. And the answer is package. Package software is a copyright retail software that is available in retail stores or on the internet. Now the third fill up is shareware is dash software that is distributed free of cost for a trial period, and the answer will be a copyrighted. See, shareware is copyright software that is distributed free of cost for a trial period. Now the next one is Dash is designed to operate the computer hardware and to give a platform for running the application software. And the answer for this is Now the next one is Dash is a software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software, and we all know that the which software is enables us to communicate with the computer hardware. It is the operating system. Now the next one, a Dash program protects a computer against viruses by identifying and removing any computer virus. And the answer for this is a virus scanner. So these are the answers for the fill-ups. Now let's complete the true false. You have to write T for true and F for false. So first statement is computer cannot work without a software. Whether it is true or false, can it run without a software? No. So the statement is true. Now operating system is a must in every computer. True or false? It is absolutely true. Next one is Adobe Photoshop is an image editing software. This statement is also correct. We have studied that this Adobe Photoshop is an image editing software. Now next one is Windows is a utility software. Is it Windows is a utility software? No, it is false because it is an operating system. So this statement is false. Now MS Excel is a presentation software. This is also a wrong statement because it is a spreadsheet type of software. So this statement is also false. Now most of the application software are available as freeware software, and this is also a wrong statement. So this is false. Now we have to start with the answer the following questions. So now students, we have to start with our fourth question, that is answer the following, and this you have to write in your notebooks. So I am telling you the answers of the questions from the book itself where the answers are there, and then just mark the answers in your book, and afterwards you can write it neatly in your notebooks. So first question is, what is a computer software? And just go to page number, the starting part, page number, I think the page number is 3. So go to page number 3 where the chapter is starting. The answer is here. Software, also called a program, consists of a series of related instructions organized for a common purpose that tells the computer what tasks to perform and how to perform them. It plays a vital role in computer systems by creating a bridge between the computer hardware and the computer user. Now this next question is, B part is, name the two major types of softwares. Go to page number 4. And here on the top line, on the first line of page number 4, the answer is given. Softwares can be categorized into two major types, system software and application software. I have highlighted the part you have to write. Now the third question, C part is, what is user interface? So what is user interface? User interface is the mean by which the user and the computer system interact with each other. It is a set of commands or menus through which a user communicates with the program. And there are two types of interfaces, command line interface and graphical user interface or GUI. A command line interface is the one in which we enter commands in form of text and punctuations. A graphical user interface is the one in which we select commands from command choices from various menus displayed on the screen. A graphical user interface allows you to use menus and visual images like icons, buttons and other graphical objects to give commands. So this was the answer of the C part. Now the next question is, which is the what is a packaged software? The answer is on page number 3. Here. Packaged software. What is packaged software? It is a copyrighted software that is available in computers, stores or on the internet. This is the definition of packaged software. Now the next question. Name the 3 major categories of system software. The answer is on page number 4. This is the answer. System software is categorized into operating system, device driver and utility program. And you can also draw this flowchart. You can draw this. I'm not able to select this, so just draw this flowchart. System software, which can be divided into operating system, device driver and utility program. So it will be easier to understand. Now the next question is, what is the F part is, what is the difference between software registration and product activation? The answer is on page number 3. The last 2 paragraphs. Registering the software usually involves submitting your name and other personal information to the software manufacturer. Registering the software often entitles you to get technical product support. And product activation is a technique that some software manufacturers use to ensure that the software is not installed on more computers than legally licensed. Usually the software does not function or has limited functionality until you activate it via the internet. And now the G part of question number 4 is what is the difference between a system software and an application software? So the system software, the answer of this question is in 2 parts. The answer for system software is on page number 4. Here. So the first part is what is the difference between system software and application software. So what is system software? System software is a computer software that is designed to operate the computer hardware and to give and maintain a platform for running the application software. It helps in running the computer hardware and the computer system. And with this, you can draw this diagram. User, applications, system software and hardware. You can draw this diagram along with the system software. And then the second part, the application software, is on page number 7. The last heading, application software. Application software consists of programs designed to make users more productive and assist them with their personal tasks. Here your answer is complete for the G part. And now Moving to the next question. What is an operating system? So again we have to move to page number 4. And here is your answer for question H. An operating system or OS is a software that enables a computer system to work. This is the first software to be loaded in a computer. This is the answer of the H part of the question number 4. And now the last question is, explain the different types of general purpose software and specific purpose software. So you have to move to page number 8. You will write the heading general purpose, and then you will write examples of general purpose application softwares are word processing, spreadsheet, database, presentation, and paint or image editing software. Then you will write the first one, word processing software, and then you will write word processing helps to create documents using a word processor. A word processor is just like a computerized typewriter. So you have to write only the highlighted part. Word processing software. Word processing helps to create documents using a word processor. A word processor is just like a computerized typewriter. And Microsoft Word is commonly used word processing program. Now, second type of general purpose software is spreadsheet software. You can manage personal and business finances with the help of spreadsheet program. You can use a spreadsheet program to perform calculations, analyze data, present information. The most commonly used spreadsheet program is Microsoft Excel. Then database software. A database is a collection of related information or records on any subject, such as records of book in a library, information about the students in school, etc. Database software allows you to create, access, and manage database. The most widely used database program is Microsoft Access. Then presentation software, you have to write the heading presentation software. And the 2 lines of it. Presentation software allows you to create documents called presentations, which are used to communicate ideas, messages, and other information to a group. The presentations can be viewed as slides, also known as slideshow, and the example is Microsoft PowerPoint. And fifth general purpose software is Paint or image editing software. You will write Paint software, also called illustration software, is an application that allows users to draw pictures, shapes, and other graphics with various on-screen tools like pen, brush, eyedropper, and paint bucket. So this was about the general purpose software. Then you will write the second heading, which is the specific purpose software, and you will write the different types of specific purpose softwares are. First is accounting management. Then you will write this, the highlighted part, the whole paragraph. Then reservation system, the 2 lines of it. Then just write the headings: HR management, attendance system, payroll system, and inventory control system. So you have to write these 6 headings and description of 2 only. That much is sufficient for this answer. So this with this the question answers part is over. Now there is an application based question also. Your teacher has asked you to design a new school logo using an application software installed on the computer. Which application software will you use to do this work? So which application software will be used to design a school logo? And the answer is Paint or image editing software. So you will write The answer as Paint or image editing software. Here we finish off with the question answers part. First, mark the answers. Application based questions also, you have to write this question in your notebook. So you just have to write the question number 4 and 5 in your computer notebook, and rest of the questions you will complete in your book. If you don't have the book, then you can write it separately in a rough notebook, and whenever you purchase the book or you get the book, then you can write it down in your computer notebooks. So thank you, students.